Good morning. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing how to upload items into SafeAssign. So in the course, you'll want to navigate to wherever the assignment is that you're trying to submit. So find the link that says Summary 1 SafeAssign, or whatever assignment it is you're looking for. Click that link and it will take you to the submission page. It's got a little bit of information about the assignment and an opportunity for you to attach your file. So browse your computer, go ahead and select the document that you want to submit, click open, and you'll see here that it's been attached. If you've made a mistake, you can click do not attach and you can select something else. Otherwise, as long as it's showing up here under file name, you should be good. Make sure that you check the box agreeing to submit your paper to the Global Reference Database, and then click Submit. I can't click Submit because I'm an instructor user and not a student user, so it's going to give me an error. But once you hit Submit, you should be fine. Make sure that you are uploading a Word document into SafeAssign. Do not try to type or paste your paper into the comment box, and do not try to upload either a Google Drive document or like a Pages document from a Mac. Unfortunately, SafeAssign does not work with other programs very well. Let me know if you have any questions, if you get stuck, or if anything isn't working. I am be happy to help you get it sorted out. Thank you. Have a great day, and I hope this helps.